Welcome to the Sri Shyam Education Group Bhadra. Today we talk about Chemistry 2nd, Unit 1st, Halogen derivatives. First we will see what is haloalkane. What is haloalkane? When one or more than one hydrogen atom is replaced by halogen atom the compound obtained is called haloalkane. I am speaking again. When one or more than one hydrogen atom is replaced by halogen atom, the compound obtained is called haloalkane. For example, RH is alkane. We know about the alkane, the carbon surrounded with the single bond. The alkane react with the halogen and alkane hydrogen atoms is replaced by halogen atom. The obtained compound is called alkyl halide. So we can say the haloalkane is also called alkyl halide. So we can say these are called alkyl halide. For compound example is CH3Cl. We know that the CH3 is methyl and Cl is chlorine. The common name is the compound is methyl chloride. Understood? The IUPAC name of the compound is chloromethane. Next example is CH3, CH2 and then Cl. The common name is compound is ethyl chloride. Speaking again, first of all, we know about the haloalkane. What is haloalkane? When one or more than one hydrogen atom is replaced by halogen atom, the compound obtained is called haloalkane. We know that methyl chloride, it is also called methyl chloride, chloromethane. Chloromethane is IUPAC name. Next is CH3CH2Cl. The common name is this compound is ethyl chloride and IUPAC name is chloroethane. Next we will read the classification of haloalkane. Haloalkane classification. Haloalkane classified in 3 types. The haloalkane classified in 3 types. First is basis on the number of halogen atom. First type is basis on the number of halogen atom. The second type is compound with sp3-CH bond. Third is compound with sp2-CH bond. So the classification of haloalkane. Haloalkane classified in 3 types. First is basis on the number of halogen atom. Second is compound with sp3-CH bond. Third is compound with sp2-CH bond. First we will start basis on the number of halogen atoms. According to basis on the number of halogen atoms, the haloalkane is classified in the monohaloalkane. Mono means 1, and second is dihaloalkane. And third is trihaloalkane. Monohaloalkane. What is monohaloalkane? Contain 1 hydrogen atom. The halide is called monohaloalkane. Contain 2 halogen atom is called dihaloalkane. Contain 3 halogen is called trihaloalkane. Monohaloalkane divide in 3 types. First is primary alkyl halide. Second is secondary alkyl halide, and third is tertiary alkyl halide. Speaking again, basis on the number of halogen atom, the alkyl halide classified in 3 types. First is monohaloalkane, second is dihaloalkane, and third is trihaloalkane. And then monohaloalkane classified in the 3 types. First is primary alkyl halide, second is secondary alkyl halide, and third is tertiary alkyl halide. First of all, we will see about primary alkyl halide. What is primary alkyl halide? These halide, the halogen atom attached with the primary carbon atom. I will repeat. These halide, the halogen atom attached with the primary carbon atom is called primary alkyl halide. For example, CH3, then CH2, then Cl. Chlorine is halogen, and we know that their CH2 is 1 degree carbon atom, and CH3 is also 1 degree carbon atom. So let we see the chlorine attached with the primary carbon atom. The obtained compound is called, on the basis of number of halogen atom, primary alkyl halide. Next is secondary alkyl halide. According to primary, we explain the secondary alkyl halide. What is secondary alkyl halide? These halide, the halogen atom attached with the secondary carbon atom is called secondary alkyl halide. Let me see example: CH3, then CH, then CH3. And these are 1 degree carbon atoms, and these are 1 degree carbon atoms, and CH is 2 degree carbon atoms, and CH attached with the halogen atoms. So we can say these are secondary alkyl halide because chlorine attached with the 2 degree carbon atom. Next is tertiary alkyl halide. What is tertiary alkyl halide? These halides, the halogen atom attached with the tertiary carbon atom. The obtained compound is called tertiary alkyl halide. So let's we see example: CH3, then C, then CH3, and attached with the 3 number of carbon atom. So these carbon is called 3 degree carbon atom. We know that what is 3 degree carbon atom? The carbon surrounded with the 3 carbon atom is called 3 degree carbon atom. So these carbon attached with the halogen atom. So we can say these are tertiary alkyl halide. Let me see example name. These common name is number of 2 carbon. We can say these are ethyl chloride. Next is, we know that these structures is called by common name isopropyl, and isopropyl attached with the chlorine. So we can say these common name is isopropyl chloride. Next is 3 degree carbon atom. We know that the number of carbon for 1 hydrogen removal, so it is also called butyl. And butyl number of 3 degree carbon attached with the chlorine, 3 degree, according to 3 degree we can say these are tert. And removal of 1 hydrogen atom, so it is also called butyl. Then chlorine attached with the alkyl, we can say chloride. So the common name is this compound tert butyl chloride. Speaking again, first of all, basis on the number of halogen atom, classified in 3 types: monohaloalkane, dihaloalkane, and trihaloalkane. And the monohaloalkane classified in 3 types: primary alkyl halide, halogen attached with the primary carbon atom. Second is secondary alkyl halide, halogen attached with the secondary carbon atom. Third is tertiary alkyl halide, the halogen attached with the 3-degree carbon atom. So it is also called tertiary alkyl halide. Next we will see second classification. Second type of classification. Second classification is compound with sp3 CX bond. The means of these words: the halogen atom directly attached with the sp3 carbon atoms. It's divided in, first is allylic halide. What is allylic halide? Understood by example. See, halogen attached with the sp3 carbon atom, and next sp3 carbon atom attached with the sp2 carbon atom. These are sp3 carbon atom, these are sp2 carbon atoms. So definition is allylic halide, the halogen atom attached with the sp3 carbon atom and next to double bonded carbon atom. We can say next to sp2 carbon atom. The halide is called allylic halide. Speaking again, the halogen atom attached with the sp3 carbon atom, next to attach sp2 carbon atoms, sp2 hybridized carbon atom. The halide is called allylic halide. The general name of compound allyl halide. Speaking again, the compound with the sp3CX bond, first type is allylic halide. What is allylic halide? See by example, the halogen atom attached with the sp3 and next to attach with the sp2. The halide is called allylic halide. Understood? Next is alkyl halide. What is alkyl halide? The halogen atom directly attached with the sp3 carbon atom. This halide is called alkyl halide. See by example.